make me feel like you make me feel. When you want to tell me mission.
Hey babies, as you know, you see me, I'm back with another video. Right now I'm here with my best friend, T. We're gonna do a best friend tag today.
/ mukbang, because we eating it up, you know.
Of course, because you know some of them very stills.
Her plate bigger than mine.
You'll be fine.
She don't like to feed me. I do all the feedings.
So right?
Get to the cat? Cat? Okay.
Alright. Anyways, first question.
Oh God. I'm not ready.
Why?
No, I'm ready, but I'm not ready. Let's do it.
Where did we meet and how?
We met at church.
Yeah.
We met.
But you were rude to me, which means like.
No, I wasn't.
Yes,
Okay.
you were, like.
When we got an age gap. Sis gonna be 20. I just turned 23. When we met, she was 13. And I was 16, and she used to hang out with my little cousin JJ. And like, JJ always has a bad attitude. So like the same, I used to give my little cousin, I used to just give it to her too. Sis used to call me mom and everything. Like, that's my dog for sure though. We never fell out though. Like, the age gap kept us from being like too close, but we never had no drama. We never, except this one time, but we're gonna get to that with another question. Yeah, so we met at church.
Alright, our second question is our favorite memory. What's your favorite memory?
Bro, remember back when I used to date that boy from the church? We're not gonna say his name.
I know you're lying.
Back when I used to date, well, I don't even know if you consider it dating. I used to date this boy from the church, and they was really good friends. Like, that was like her big bro. And she used to call me mom. Like, she used to call us mom and dad. Wait, no, I'm Cat. Our favorite memory was violin ball. When we went. And you and JJ was sitting in the back of the truck.
Oh snap. Yeah.
And we was in the
me and JJ was tired of sitting and being squished in the back seat. So you know, we popped in the trunk. Did some Jamaican stuff, he feels me. But my favorite memory of you is Oh God.
Oh God. What is it? What is it? Is it recent? You want to whisper in my ear first? You want to tell me if it's YouTube appropriate first?
It is YouTube appropriate.
Oh God. What is it?
I'm gonna skip that one.
She be trying to embarrass me. No. Okay, say it in my ear. Come on.
What happened yesterday? But I'm gonna tell
Next caller.
I'm gonna tell y'all a different.
No, we're gonna tell a different one. Yesterday was dope though.
I liked. Damn. You know, my favorite memory is when she really cursed out someone for me.
Who did I curse out? Oh. Oh yeah. Next question. I really cursed that man out. Like, when I tell you I cursed him all the way out, I was like, listen, not my best friend.
What is your best friend's dream job?
I was supposed to answer for you.
Yeah.
I think she want to be a nurse.
What kind of nurse?
A baby nurse. Like, she wanna. If this girl could get pregnant and pop a baby out, like, right now, she would. Like, she wants to be a baby nurse, like, for real. Like, I'm the baby nurse. What you think I want to do?
I could see you in, like, cosmetology or,
I would be famous.
Even that, too, but
we could be Jada and Dez.
I can see you in cosmetology.
You want to know the crazy thing is? I know how to do hair. I do my own hair. But I hate doing hair.
But you need bread.
I know, but it's so time consuming. Like, and then people's heads be dirty. Imagine have to wash dirty hair. Like,
I cannot.
Imagine. But real talk, my real dream job is just like to not have to have a job, but still make money.
Okay, that sounds like a rule. Alright. How is my best friend as an individual? She's a pain in my behind. Like, half the time, like, I dead can't stand her, but I still love my dog. Don't sip too hard.
What was the question?
How's my best friend as an individual?
My best friend, she don't take no shit. I'm too fucking nice. So when it comes to my best friend, I like that. She ain't gonna make me be for none of that. Like, she gonna be like, nah, fuck that nigga. Nah, fuck that bitch. Nah, stab that hoe. Fold that bitch up, put her in your trunk. Like, I wouldn't say like I'm too nice. Maybe I am. I don't know, but my favorite thing about my best friend is that she's my opposite. Like, I like light-skinned niggas, she like dark-skinned niggas. She eats a lot, I don't. So if we ever gotta go half of a meal, we know we both gonna be full, except for her. I'm gonna be good regardless.
You see the friggery?
What was the question? What was the question again? You're gonna have to edit this part.
You answered the question.
I forgot what the question was.
How am I as an individual?
Oh, as an individual, she's a boss ass bitch. A boss ass bitch. Period.
And that's on.
And that's on that. Next caller.
What color do you like your best friend in?
Okay, you go first. And don't say red because I don't like red.
You know what I was about to say was about to be a little rude. I'm going to keep it down low. I feel like you would look cute in like a baby pink.
You know what?
A baby pink. Like a baby pink.
I really do, and I'm finna show y'all. Hold up.
Like a baby pink.
I do look good in pink. I feel like my best friend looks good in any bright colors. Just because we dark skinned, but you see, like, I got more like tones. She like the real bona fide melanin chocolate. So bright colors be looking bomb on her. Like, not no specific color, just bright colors in general. But yellow, it's the yellow for me. I did not say that because you had on yellow right now, but no, like, she really looks good in yellow. I'm finna show y'all the pink though. I look good in pink. Dang, this picture got a nigga in it. Imagine. Hold on. Sorry, I get sidetracked easy, y'all. Oh, there we go. Me in pink though, like, ooh, not telling my business like that. Me in pink though, okay? That's it, and that's all. Next caller.
Next caller.
Next question.
What kind of movies does your best friend like?
This bitch don't like movies. This whole watching movie channel.
That's my baby.
Last night we was finna go to sleep. Sis put on Good Luck Charlie. She don't really do movies. She like Disney Channel throwbacks. Like Good Luck Charlie. What was the other one you was watching this morning?
Sister?
No, before you went to work.
Jessie?
Jessie. We was watching Jessie and Good Luck Charlie. Off the strength of her.
Those are my babies.
Those are babies. I ain't gonna say a word.
But like her, she about that drug and money. So you feel me? She be binge watching. Like she always on
Lucifer
Netflix.
is not about drug and money.
I don't care, bro. It's all like I feel like it's a drug and money.
And like the government type stuff too. Like I watch House of Cards and
you hear this?
I like series. Like I like action. I like the action. All the series about even the government, they all got drugs and money. So whatever. She right.
When am I not right? Anyways, something you want to tell your best friend that you never told her before.
I don't think I can say this on camera. All right, confession. Okay, come on, leave this right here.
You're lying.
I was butthurt about it for like the first 3 days that I was on Yubo. Like, I would always say,
That's why you didn't call me?
I was always like, on my Yubo, I was like, imagine you have a friend, right? And
That's
da da da
why
da.
she didn't
And I'm
call
like, but at the end of the day, I know my friend's solid and she not finna da 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 da. But I was,
Yes, back up on rewind. That's why you never called me.
yeah, because it's one thing for you to tell it to me, but then when I actually got on the app and I like peeped like the the little shade from your other U-Boat friends, I was like, I didn't call her for like 3 days. And when she called, I would rush her off the phone. Because I was butthurt.
And then, you know, when she would call, I wouldn't answer. After the 3 days was up.
So look where we at now. But yeah, I couldn't say that one out loud because I'm not going to tell my business to you YouTubers. Okay. What's the question?
What have I never told you? Oh.
Can you say it out loud?
No, I can't.
Oh, man. About what?
Did I tell you that?
No, but I found that out last night during Never Have I Ever. Now we was playing Never Have I Ever, and she thought I just peeped her put the finger down for the slackness. Sis was being slack. Y'all know, y'all Jamaicans know, she wanna be slack.
Slackness never really after warm, but the norm.
Wanna know what? She just dirty. That's why. She nasty too.
Don't listen to her ear. Interviews. What phobias does your best friend like?
You have?
Have like CMT.
She don't like people. I think that should be a phobia. She's scared of people. I be having to be like, okay, listen, my friend coming over and he has a friend, but it's not like that. He's not trying to. Like, she'd be like, no, boyfriend gonna beat me up. We can cut that part out. Her phobia is. I don't know the answer to this one. Let me think. You go first. I just like commentaries. It's so funny.
Your phobia. You don't like things out of place in your house. Like if it's out of place, like it irks your soul. Like you'd be ready to
in my house, in my life.
Turn everything upside down on it. Like why is this not in place? Like who touched it? Like what is wrong with y'all people?
I'll be flipping the fuck out. I kicked my roommate out after her living with me for 3 weeks because she did not follow my rules. I put my dad out after 2.5 weeks because he's not respecting my house.
CMT.
I told my friends, yo, let's have a link up. They said they're gonna treat my shit like an Airbnb. I said, never mind.
CMT.
Her phobia? Is getting hurt by the one person that she'll do anything in her power not to hurt. And if you're watching, if you hurt my friend, I'm gonna fully put you in her trunk.
Hey.
Just say. I'll fold that
Next
hoe up,
question.
put her in jail.
It says, who's the bigger hoe? I dead love how you just pointed to yourself like.
Cause it's not even like I'm a hoe. She's always been in a relationship and I'm a flirt. She's been with the same person for however long, and I'm a flirt. If I see you and you look good, I'm not gonna stop till you know that I feel like you look good. Like, if I see you and I want your number, I'm literally gonna be like, yo, you cute, my phone, your number, what's up? That's how I got my last boyfriend, but he was lying, cheater, so that's what I like. He's a Virgo too. Yo, his birthday just passed. So out of sight, out of mind. I didn't even remember that his birthday.
Third, right?
How do you remember?
That's one thing I don't do. Forget
Of September. That's probably why they had went out. I was lurking on his Facebook from your Facebook, and he was live with the fat girl, and they was at, I think it was Wonder Bar. We gonna bleep that name out. One of my followers went there, and I know what it looked like. Because he was like, oh, we should go there. It's lit. You would like it there better than Beach Bar. It's more low key. I'm like, okay. I feel like he just wanted me to go somewhere more low key because he don't want his clothes to see us. But I'm going to eat my pasta on that night.
Interesting. Next question. Who's most likely to go to jail for stabbing? got to be me, of course.
I'm not gonna stab him, so I'm gonna be scared that he's not gonna fuck with me no more. She's gonna be like, no, bitch, stab him. Put him out his misery. Oh, like, real talk. She goes,
It'd be like that.
it's her. It's her.
Who cries the most? I feel like I'm always in my feelings.
I feel like both.
I'm always crying. Not the phrase.
I don't even know what that is. I barely use this song.
I
I feel like we cry equally. But it's weird, 'cause I'm a Cancer, so that's expected. She's a Scorpio. You bitch is supposed to be thick skinned, like. But with her, she'll flex in front of everybody like she cool, and get on FaceTime with me and just cry like a baby. And ain't nobody else gonna know she crying, but me. So me, I don't give a fuck where I'm at. If I'm mad, I'm crying. If I'm sad, I'm crying. If I'm happy, I'm crying. If I just got some bomb ass dick and I'm talking to my friend about it, I'm crying. Next question. Next question.
one thing you hate about your best friend. Oh, you want to go first?
Mm-hmm. More on the.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. What do I hate about you?
And you can't say nothing. Everybody gotta like not like one thing about a person. Because if it was too much alike, then you wouldn't get along.
I can't stand when you be with such and such person and you don't get no type of attention.
You talking about Ghana?
Yes, like I wanted to shoot both of y'all.
See, the difference is when I had my old boyfriend, I would get on FaceTime with her, and me and him would talk to her. Remember?
Yeah, I know.
She sat on FaceTime when we argued. We only hung up when we were having intercourse. Me and my best friend, like one thing y'all should know about us, we sit on the phone with each other at least 16 hours of the day. Like we live an hour apart, so it ain't like I'm gonna come over after work. Like we can't do that now. I'm gonna fuck around and just move into her apartment next year because I'm giving her boyfriend a boot. So, the UGG boot, you know, the expensive boot. But yeah, my thing that I don't like about her, I have to tell her in her ear because I'm not gonna tell her business on YouTube.
Yo, I feel like I know what this is.
A boss bitch, okay?
I knew it was coming.
She deserves to be treated like $1 million.
Who's more sensitive? I know you did not just put up that big fat lie like that.
No, yes you are. Just because you won't show it don't mean you not. I know you, bruh. I know you.
I know you did not just do that big fat L like that.
She trying to say I'm lying.
She's lying.
Okay, I'm sensitive. I'm a Cancer. That's expected. You're a Scorpio. She's more sensitive. You think I'm more sensitive? I think I am too. I'm just checking. Because like, I got feelings. I'm very in tune with my emotions. Like, if I want to cry, if you hurt my feelings, I'm going to make sure you know that you hurt me. Ain't no doubt about it. You talk shit about me, I'm gonna let that just slide for a little bit, but then I'm making upset. And I'm gonna pop you. I'm more sensitive. It is what it is. Next question.
Who's most likely to have a one night stand with someone from Yubo?
If y'all don't know what Yubo is, right? She was on Yubo first. She put me onto Yubo, and now I'm obsessed. It's an app. Hold on, let me show you. Shut up.
No, tell me shut up. No, tell me to shut up.
This Yubo right here, right?
Stop it with the
You
eye.
could click in, you can join people live, but as soon as I go on live, they be like, hey, you could be up there, you could be in the comments. Yubo lit. I like Yubo. You meet a lot of people. See, I'm the type of person, if I'm talking to you on the phone for too long, alright, I'm gonna fly out. Or you're gonna fly out and see me. And yeah, so moral of the story is me.
Of course.
It's like this one boy on Yubo It's this one boy on you.
Them no need for no.
He gotta catch these hands. That's all we say. He gotta catch these hands. And all the other body parts too. Gotta catch those. At least once. I'll be content if it happens once.
Well, the system I almost done with my cuisine. I should do one willy for one butter chatting.
I eat slow.
She be able to share food.
That's the difference between
How much fuck on the sister take up?
intermission. That's the difference between me and her. I eat slow. And y'all make me nervous. Mind you, they not even.
Better than me. Anyways, that's all for this video today, guys. So give this video a thumbs up,
Like, share, subscribe,
and comment.
add us on the gram,
Natural beauty.
and bestie. Our mukbang / best friend tag. Comment. What they say? Then leave. Peace out. Drop in the comments what video y'all want us to do next. I will be back on her channel. This is not the last time you will see me, but it is the first. My name is T. What up, though?
Maybe there's a second. You never know.
Maybe we do another video right after this.
Maybe there's another video coming out before this. You never know.
You never know. Oh yeah. This video gotta go out before the other one. So they know who I am. When she did some bullshit. Stay tuned for the next video. Because I'm still mad at that one.
But she's not sensitive, right? Alright. Natural_beauty, J.
From the minute I met my friend, it was less every day. She called me, I'm on the way. And you know I wasn't gonna play. That's my best friend, it'll never be the same. And you can never be replaced, oh, why? I'm looking for answers like, oh, why?